Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can connect CJ Dropshipping to your Wix store. So let's get started. First, go to cjdropshipping.com and log in. Once you're logged in, click on My CJ and wait for the page to load. On the left side of the page, scroll down until you see Store Authorization. Click on the small arrow next to it. You'll find a list of platforms like Shopify, eBay, TikTok, and others. Scroll down and find Wix, then click on it. This will take you to a page where, if you haven't authorized your store yet, it will ask you to do so in order to activate one-click product listings and automatic order fulfillment. Click on Add Store and wait for it to load. You'll be redirected to another page where CJ Dropshipping will ask you to grant permission. This will allow CJ Dropshipping to manage your store and access basic site and business information. If you agree, click Agree and Add. Once it's added, wait for the confirmation. Now, your Wix store is successfully connected to CJ Dropshipping, and you're ready to start selling. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribing.